How to edit picture like this in Snapseed.
This is our first photo. Now I'm going to crop it. To crop, just go to the tool section and select crop tool. And crop the picture vertically like this. Now we are going to add second picture and we are going to merge it into first one. To add second picture, just click on tool section. Select double exposure tool. Click on open image and add second picture. Now adjust the photo size and set the picture. Apply. Now click on edit tag, view edits, double exposure, brush. Zoom out the photo and start brushing slowly like this. You can see